everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So I'm super excited to share this happy mail with you all, and I'm pretty sure that you must be knowing this person. It is from Samira. Thank you so much, Samira. It was really a big surprise for me. I never expected that you'll be sending something to me. So, and she has written it's from Secret Santa. I didn't know it was from her until I saw her name in the letter part, but obviously I guessed it after I opened this gift because the works inside this happy mail was quite familiar to me, and we all know the perfection level in her works, right? And it was so good. All the papers she has used, the colors, everything was so awesome. See, it's Secret Santa surprise. Guess me. Yes, Samira, I have guessed you right. And she has kept a cute little Santa and of course stars. So look at this. It's so beautiful and pretty. I have went through each and everything. She has kept a cute little ribbon over here. There was one star over here. I don't know where it went. So yeah, this is a cute letter. I'm not going to open the letter part, but just I'll show you. It was like this. So here's the letter. It's quite personal, so I'm not going to show you in front of the camera. So yeah, now let's dig in. Let me tell you before I show you all the products, like it is super awesome. So yeah, there are lots of paper shreds in color rose, pink and red, and of course green. So let me take all the things out. I have clicked the photos and everything. Okay. Now let me take all the things out, or I'll just keep the box aside and then I'll take one by one. First of all, she has kept two paper straws in red and white because it's Christmas theme happy mail. See. Then comes this. It's so cute. Look at the layering. She has used lots of tapes and florals, and this is an acetate sheet. It's so beautiful. It's Merry Christmas. And this paper clip. And inside this, she has kept some sequins and some charms. I will show that. And again some paper shreds. And a cute little sequin collection. See, I love her sequin collection. Sequin mixes. This is so beautiful. And a bigger one. See, it's so pretty. And some of her charms. Look at all these charms. I don't have all these collections. Cute little donut and some gems, heart shaped charm. It says I love you, and a cute butterfly, two paper clips, then a cute cupcake. Wow, I hope it's clear. See, and she has sent me these. Everything is so beautiful. Look at the teeny tiny ribbon. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Samira. Also, she has decorated the top part of this cute little bottle container, plastic container. See, she has decorated it using glitter laces. This is so beautiful and it's so thoughtful. Thank you so much. Okay, now let me move on to the next one. Okay, this was inside this carton. Now I'll move on to the next one. A cute little Santa. Ta-da! The next one. I don't know. I'm so happy to receive this. I have already gone through all these products and trust me, it is super awesome and so good. Okay, it is like this. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at the charms. Look at the handmade paper tassel. It's so beautiful, and the amount of time she has taken to make this is, I can totally understand it. It's so beautiful. And I really love this cute little pouch. She has used OHP sheet to make this pouch, and she has used velcro to stick like this. It's too good. It's so beautiful. Okay, now the next one, she has sent me this. It is a premium coffee sticks. I have already had two. One I had it, another my brother, and it's so delicious. I loved it. Soon after this video, I'm going to eat another, maybe one or two, or maybe the whole three. I absolutely loved it. And this, she has sent me so many embellishments, and this pouch has materials, and that too cute materials. Pom-poms. First one is pom-poms. I have never used pom-poms and I really loved these. It's my favorite colors, pink, rose, yellow. It's so good. And then pom-pom laces. She has tied all the pom-pom laces using this satin ribbon. White and red pom-pom lace. Then two polka dot ribbons. And this cute lace. Wow. Not lace, leaves. Sorry, leaves. It's glitter leaves. Thank you so much, Samira. I don't know when I'm not sure whether I'm going to use all these, but I'll try my best to not use it because I want to keep all these with me. But maybe I might use it in future. So this is vellum sheet. Okay. The next one is simple tag which has Mary written on it. Not written, it's a die cut. Wow. Next one. Get some tags in this. She has also put some sequin pixie dust. Look at all these tags. Merry Christmas, Holly Jolly, simple tag, a Christmas Santa, warm wishes, a snowman, very merry, and we need a little Christmas. Yes, I'm getting all like the Christmassy vibes now, even if the Christmas is over. Okay, now this one. I have not opened it, so let me just open it. Oh, she has put some tape over here, so let me take scissors. Wow, she has sent me 4 paper rosettes. So beautiful and so neat. It's so neat work. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Samira. And I love the cute box idea. This is really so sweet of you. And look at the bow. So good. Now let's move on to the next one. She has sent me so many things, okay, so many things. So this video is going to be super lengthy. Now next one. Again, she has sent me some die cuts. And she has secured it really well. She has cut out OHP thin strips. And then she has secured it really well. Love this box idea she has used, like using the OHP sheet, she has created this cute box. Now next, she has sent me this lip balm. That's so sweet of you. Thank you so much, Samira. Thank you so much. I love lip balms. So next is this charm, beautiful charm. It's written Marie inside it. I have not opened it. Look at the detailing, glass beads, star, heart shape. It's so beautiful. And the next one is this. It says delightful, and then a Santa. Look at this mini bows she has made. So beautiful. She has used leather fox. I think that's how it's spelled. It's so beautiful. See, the gold and the golden ones are my top favorite. Then this rose one, white, silver, red, everything. It looks so cute. Here's that star which was on the box. Okay, now finally this is the loaded envelope. Let me open it. Okay, I love this polka dot. I think it's pink color. No, it's red or pink. Not sure. No, it's red color. Red color polka dot wrapping sheet. It's so beautiful. And look at this cute loaded envelope. It's so beautiful. So this is her Instagram handle. It's handmade pics. I'll be mentioning it in the description part. You can check it out. Look at it. It's so perfect, and it's, I don't know what to say, yaar. It's, everything is so beautiful. Detailing, everything is pakka perfect. It's written Secret Santa, and she has used all the, this is a sticker, 3D sticker. Oh no, I took it out. Okay, the camera stopped working. I didn't notice that. So here's the cute little wand that she has sent me. I loved it. She has used glitter laces, pom-pom lace, and cute little ribbon. This is so beautiful. And inside this loaded envelope, there's lot many other embellishments. She has sent me 2 of her shaker embellishments. This is so beautiful. I'm not going to open it and show you, but because I want to keep it like this. Maybe after this video I will open it and see everything. So beautiful, Samira. Thank you so much. I can't explain how happy I was to open it and to see all the gifts that you have sent me. Cozy, festive. Look at the 3D puffy stickers. Okay, it's so beautiful. I think she has used the collection from Hip Kit Club, because all these puffy stickers are not available, like I have not seen anywhere within India. This is so good. With love. I'm so happy to have all these products with me, and I'm 100% sure all those who are watching this video will definitely check her Instagram handle, because it's so beautiful and it's so neat, and you must definitely check it out, okay? So once again, thank you so much, Sammy, for putting lots of hard work and spending lots of time on making this, because I'm 100% sure you must have taken more than like 4 or 5 days to make all this. It's that perfect. And also you were super busy for the past 2 months. I know that because you have told me everything, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. And yeah, that's it. She has sent me lots of stuff, and I'm so happy, super happy. Thank you so much, so much. So yeah, bye. And thanks to everyone who have watched the whole video. Means a lot to me. Yeah, and please do subscribe to my channel if you are a new viewer, and also you can hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new content you will get a notification. So that's it. Bye bye.